Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Tariq precision guided weapon testing. At the Dubai Air Show 2023, India's HAL announced the successful integration of the Tariq precision guided weapon, that is PGW, onto the LCA Tejas fighter jet. The Tariq PGW is a UAE developed weapon system manufactured by Edge Group subsidiary Al Tariq. Next, configuration of new gen based AESA radar for Su-30 Mk1. The Defense Research and Development Organization, Electronics and Radar Development Establishment, and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited are collaborating to finalize the configuration of new gen-based AESA radar that will be developed under Project Virupaksha for the upgraded Su-30 Mk1 fighter jets under the Project Super 30 program. Next, advanced distributed aperture system for future fighter jets. In a significant step towards strengthening India's defense capabilities, the Defense Research and Development Organization, Instrument Research and Development Establishment has issued tenders for the development of a distributed aperture system, that is DAS-HD. The advanced system is expected to play a crucial role in enhancing the situational awareness and combat effectiveness of future fighter jets, including India's upcoming 5th generation advanced medium combat aircraft. Next, first new Tejas Mark 1A fighter squadron to be deployed at Rajasthan Air Base. The Indian Air Force is planning to raise the first squadron of the indigenous LCA Mark 1A fighter aircraft squadron at the Nal Air Base in Bikaner district of Rajasthan near the Pakistan front. The aircraft, which would be much more advanced than the existing LCA Mark 1 Tejas fighters, are being equipped with the latest indigenous radars and avionics. Next, India to send astronaut to International Space Station in 2024 on SpaceX mission. In a historic development, India and the United States have signed an agreement paving the way for an Indian astronaut to travel to the International Space Station, that is ISS, in 2024. This mission marks a significant milestone in India's space exploration journey and reinforces the growing collaboration between the two nations in space endeavors. Next, Tata Advanced System, that is TAS, is hiring for C-295 final assembly line. The TASL, a leading private player in India's aerospace and defense sector, is looking for skilled and experienced technicians to join its C-295 final assembly line in Vadodara, Gujarat. The company is actively seeking candidates for these positions. Next, visit of Oman Sultan for state visit on December 16 to hold bilateral discussions with PM Modi. The head of the state of the Sultanate of Oman, Sultan Haitham bin Tank, will come to India for a state visit on December 16 along with a high-level delegation of senior ministers and officials. Ministry of External Affairs said in a statement on Sunday. As per the official statement, this will be the first state visit of Oman's Sultan Haitham bin Tariq to India and marks a significant milestone in the diplomatic relations between India and the Sultanate of Oman. Next, operational demonstration of warships, submarines. The Indian Navy presented a breathtaking operational demonstration of Ramakrishna Beach in Vishakhapatnam. The event was hosted by the Eastern Naval Command and featured a display of the Navy's aircraft, submarines, and warships. The demonstration highlighted the Navy's readiness and modernization efforts. Thank you.